Tom was an 8-year-old boy who loved video games, potato chips, and staying indoors. One Saturday morning, his mom insisted he take a walk in the new community park that had just opened. With a groan and a slouch, Tom grabbed his backpack and headed out. The park was surprisingly quiet, with birds chirping and butterflies fluttering through the air. He wandered around aimlessly until he saw a huge, ancient-looking tree standing alone near a pond. Its bark was rough, its roots thick like snakes, and its leaves danced in the breeze. Tom sat down in the shade, pulled out a bag of chips, and muttered, "Well, this isn't so bad, I guess." To his shock, a gentle voice replied, "I'm glad you think so, young one. ... Tom jumped. Who said that?" "I did," the tree replied calmly. "You're sitting on one of my roots." Tom looked around. No one was there, just birds and squirrels. You're a tree. Trees can't talk." "Most don't, but I'm no ordinary tree. I've been here for over 200 years. I speak only when someone with a curious heart sits quietly." Tom's eyes widened. "This is the coolest thing ever. Do you have a name?" "You can call me Elderleaf," the tree replied with a rustle of its leaves. Elderleaf explained that trees breathe in carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen through a process called photosynthesis. He showed Tom how sunlight hit his leaves and gave him energy to grow, clean the air, and even help clouds form through transpiration. "We're more important than you think," Elderleaf said, "but not everyone treats us kindly." Elderleaf told Tom about the nearby forest where many trees had been cut down to make space for buildings and parking lots. "Many of my friends were there. Birds lost their homes. Animals scattered. The soil dried out. Even the air got worse." Tom felt a strange tug in his chest. "No. I thought trees just stood there," he said softly. "We do, and in standing still, we hold the world together," Elderleaf replied. Tom visited Elderleaf every day after school. They talked about ecosystems, recycling, and how trees communicate through underground networks of roots and fungi. One day, Elderleaf dropped a shiny brown seed from one of his branches. "Plant this somewhere special," Elderleaf said. "Care for it and teach others." Tom nodded with determination. Tom started a school project called Green Buddies. He and his friends planted trees in their backyards and empty lots with the help of parents and teachers. They learned about composting, reducing plastic, and protecting nature. Each time Tom planted a tree, he whispered to it, "Say hi to Elderleaf when you can." Over time, a patch of green began to grow where there had once been dry land. Birds returned, the air smelled fresher, and Elderleaf, standing tall, smiled in his leafy way whenever Tom visited. "You've done well, young one. Now the trees will remember your name." Even small actions can help heal the planet. Trees are more than just scenery. They're life givers. And if you listen closely, nature just might talk back.